Okay, a rectangular tank I need to draw. Okay, so there's my rectangular tank, and we'll make a note that it has no lid. So if it has no lid, that means there's only 5 surfaces. Don't know. I'm assuming that will matter actually. Okay. It says the surface area is 440 centimeters squared. It has a length. Okay, so we'll call this the length. That's 15 centimeters. The width is x, so this is going to be the width, and that's x centimeters. And then the height of the tank is 2.5 times the width. So the height, we'll do it over here. The height of the tank is 2.5x, 2.5 times the width, and the width was x. So 2.5x centimeters. Find the capacity of the tank. Sorry. So capacity is just a fancy word for volume. Okay. So they've given us surface area, right? Which means we're going to have to use the surface area to figure out the x. And then once we've figured out the x, we can do the volume. So we can't do the volume directly because we just don't have enough information. We could do it in terms of x, but that's not really going to help us. Okay, so we'll start with this surface here. So that surface is 15 times 2.5x, and there's 2 of those surfaces, the front and the back. Yeah? This little one here at the side, see that one? That one's going to be 2.5x by x, and there's 2 of them, one on the right and one on the left. And then the bottom, which you can't see, is going to be 15 by x, and there's only one of them because there's no lid. And if I add those surfaces up, so I have 5, there's 2 there, 2 there, and then this one is just 1. So that's 5 surfaces. That's supposed to equal 440. Yeah? Okay, so 2 by 15 by 2.5 is 75x. Is that right? Yep. 2 by 2.5 is 5, and then x squared, because I've got 2 lots of x's. Then we have 15x, and then we have equals 440. I can't remember if we've done these. Sorry, I know we haven't obviously done this exact question. I'll come back to this. Arithmetic, speed, distance, time, functions. Did I show you in functions? Yeah, like I don't think we solved, like this is, sorry, it's called a quadratic equation, and I don't think we've actually learned how to solve these yet. So I'll do it, but I'm not sure you're going to fully understand it. So we have 5x squared, 75 plus 15, because these are like terms, so they can be added. So I get 90x equals 440. And then I need to bring this over here. So I do minus 440 to cancel, and minus 440 then for balance. So I get 5x squared plus 90x minus 440 equals 0. Yeah, so this is the bit I'm not sure you're going to get. I think we can probably divide everything by 5. I think. They all look divisible by 5. So this is x squared. 90 divided by 5 is 18x. 440 divided by 5 is 88, and 0 divided by 5 is 0. Okay, so we need to get a guide number. The guide number is the number in front of x squared multiplied by the final number. So that's a 1 by minus 88 is minus 88. We do the factors of minus 88. So 1 by 88, 2 by 44. 3 doesn't divide. 4 by 22. Will that work? That one will work. Yeah, that one will work. So I need the factors that are going to give me the I need the factors that are going to give me the middle number. So the middle number is plus 18. And if you look here, if I use plus 22 and minus 4, I get plus 18. So you rewrite this part, but you expand the middle bit. So instead of plus 18, I'm going to make it minus 4x plus 22x using these guys over here. Minus 88 equals 0. You pair them up. Sorry, that looks like a plus. That's a minus. So we do the common factor in the first one, which is x squared. Divide. No, it's not. Sorry. The common factor in the first one is x. So I divide this by x. I divide this by x. They cancel, leaving me with x. They cancel, so I've got minus 4. Common factor here is 22, so I divide by 22, divide by 22. So this is x. Oh no, sorry. Oh. So 22 divided by 2, they cancel, so I just have x. 88 divided by 22 is 4. You write down the common bracket, so I write this down. So it's x minus 4. And then in another bracket, I put these bits, which is x plus 22. You solve, so x minus 4 equals 0 and x plus 22 equals 0. You have to plus the 4 here. So x equals 4. And you have to minus the 22 here. So x equals minus 22. Given x is the width of the tank, it can't be minus 22, so we reject this one. So the width of the tank must be 4. So the width, so the length is 15 centimeters. We know that the width is 4 centimeters. And the height was 2.5 times the width. So the height is 2.5 times 4. So the height is 10 centimeters. And then you're asked for the capacity, which is the volume. It's rectangular, so it's length by width by height. So that's 15 by 4 by 10. So 15 by 4 by 10 is 600 centimeters cubed. Right, so that's how you do it. But I don't think we definitely haven't done quadratic equations. So, sorry, I'm just going to try and highlight it. How I actually solved it, like this whole piece here. That's solving quadratic equations. And if I just go into this is what I should have done at the start. No, this. So in first year, all we did was expressions in linear equations, so it's not in that. And we haven't. So see here, how annoying. We're about to go on, we're nearly finished this chapter. We're about to go on to chapter 5, algebraic expressions. After that, see algebraic factorizing? That's what I just did. So like we'll have it done before the summer. But I don't think, yeah, I don't expect you to follow that because I'm not exactly teaching it to you. I'm just showing you it complete. All right. But anyway, there's the solution.